Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing the chat as a web element. This is faster and less fragile than plugins. First, open your streaming platform and pop out the chat so it has its own URL. You'll paste that into OBS. Once done, add a new browser source in OBS and name it clearly, like Live Chat. Make sure the width and height match your canvas. This prevents scaling artifacts. You're now ready to link the chat URL in the next step. Now you paste the pop-out chat URL into the browser source URL field and watch it render. This is how messages flow into your scene. Adjust the width and height to match your stream resolution and set FPS to 30 or 60 depending on smoothness needs. If you want visual tweaks, add custom CSS to hide avatars or change fonts. This reduces clutter. Once configured, test by sending a chat message. You'll finish by positioning and anchoring the chat window so it doesn't overlap important visuals. Use alignment guides to snap it to a corner. Add filters like scroll, crop, or chroma key to match your overlay. You can also set visibility hotkeys or scene-specific rules to show chat only when desired. If messages stop appearing, first refresh the browser source, verify the pop-out URL is correct and public, and temporarily disable ad blockers. That usually resolves the common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.